Let's talk about passive voice, specifically about the impersonal passive voice. What is the impersonal passive voice? And how do we use it? Well, keep watching and find out. Okay, everyone, how to use the impersonal passive voice. Let's get started. Impersonal is an adjective and it means not influenced by personal feelings. The impersonal passive voice is a grammar structure that is used to report a general opinion. Report a general opinion. Not necessarily your opinion. An opinion that other people have. That's why it's called impersonal. This means not personal and not your feeling or opinion. Although, if it is your feeling and your opinion too, that's okay. You are just not saying it's your opinion. Okay? For example, it is believed that throwing a coin into a pond will bring good luck. Well, some people believe this, right? It is known that exercising regularly is a great way to stay healthy. This is common knowledge that people have. Okay, to form the impersonal passive voice, use it plus the passive voice. I have a video about the passive voice grammar. You can watch that video here. Okay, so it plus passive voice. This means it plus the be verb plus a reporting verb. In this case, the reporting verb is the impersonal passive. Impersonal passive. Okay, what are some reporting verbs? Say, claim, believe, think, know, rumor, estimate, report. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. So the passive voice is formed by using be plus past participle. And the impersonal passive voice is formed by using it plus be plus past participle. But the past participle must be a reporting verb. Understand? So, it is or it was said. It is, it was claimed. It is, it was believed. It is, it was thought. It is, it was known. it was rumored, estimated, reported. You get the idea. Okay, make sure to use that after the verb. It is estimated that Vatican City in Rome receives over 5 million visitors every year. The impersonal passive voice is a grammar structure that is used to report a general claim or belief that people have without reference to a specific person or thing or agent who has the belief or makes the claim. So, what are some uses of the impersonal passive voice? Well, one use is to avoid identifying the person or group who is performing the action, or to focus on the action itself, not who performs it. And also to make statements that are general, that apply broadly to many different people. And also to report what an unspecified group of people say or believe. The impersonal passive voice is used in written, formal, and academic English. It's not common in everyday speech, but it is common in a formal speech or an academic speech, and also in academic writing, sometimes in journalism too. Okay, let's look at some examples using the present and the past, impersonal passive. Long ago, it was said that the forest outside the town was haunted by spirits. So, this is what people said in the past, right? Who said it? Well, it's not important. The people of the town said it, right? The focus is on the action and reporting this action, this belief. It is claimed that 75% of new parents get less than 5 hours of sleep per night. It is believed that the witness lied in court. In the past, it was thought that the sun revolved around the earth, but not anymore, right? It is known that mosquitoes often carry disease. It is rumored that the couple's divorce was due to infidelity. It is estimated that the price of Bitcoin will double by 2030. It was reported yesterday that an investigation into the cause of the fire is underway. Underway means happening now. Okay. Let me know your questions down in the comments section below, and ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for more free videos in the future. My name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.